Good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So today's topic is anemia, as anemia is the blood disorder characterized by the reduction in red blood cells count and hemoglobin content and packed cell volume. Basically, anemia is known as the reduction in the RBC's count and the hemoglobin content, and PCV occurs because of three major reasons. First is either due to the decreased production of RBCs, then second is the increased destruction of RBC, and third is excessive loss of blood from the body. And all these incidents are caused either by inherited disorders or environmental influences such as nutritional problems, infections, and exposure to drugs or toxins. So, continuing the topic, that is anemia, as anemia is composed of two words, that is an and emia. An, which means without, and emia, which means blood. There is a reduction of hemoglobin concentration below the normal range for the age and gender, leading to decreased oxygen carrying capacity of blood and thus oxygen availability to tissue, which is known as hypoxia. Coming to the next topic, that is classification of anemia. So, classification of anemia. Anemia is classified by two methods. That is, first is morphological classification and second is etiological classification. On the basis of morphological classification, anemia is of four types. First is normocytic normochromic. Then second is normocytic hypochromic. Then third is macrocytic hypochromic, and fourth is microcytic hypochromic. And there is a changes in the size and the color of RBCs in each type of anemia. So in normocytic normochromic, the size of RBCs is normal and color is also normal. Then in second, normocytic hypochromic, the size of RBC is normal but the color of RBC is less compared to the normal. Then in third, microcytic hypochromic, the size of RBCs is large due to the results of endosmosis and the color of RBCs is still less than the normal. Then fourth is microcytic hypochromic, the size of RBC is small due to hypertonic solutions or exostosis. The color of RBCs is still the less as compared to the normal color. Next classification is etiological classification. On the basis of etiology, study of cause or origin, anemia is divided into five types. First is hemorrhagic anemia, second is hemolytic anemia, third is nutritional deficiency anemia, fourth is aplastic anemia, and fifth is anemia of chronic diseases. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.